Hi guys! CPAGrips is a website that offers CPA offers from various countries around the world. You will earn money when users click on the link and perform the required action. To register for a CPAGrips account, you will need to provide the following information: phone number, email, and address. If you are registering from another country, you need to ensure this information is accurate. You may use a proxy or VPN to fake your IP for accuracy. After registration, you will need to verify your account via email. This is the interface after successfully logging into your CPAGrips account. On the left side are the main features. To find offers, select the offer tool and then My Offer. You can filter by country, offer type such as app downloads, email submissions, etc., or by device compatibility like desktop or mobile. This is the amount you will earn after a user clicks on the link and performs the required actions. For example, in this offer, to earn $100, about 50 different users need to click and complete the required action. CPAGrips also provides a few tools to help you promote your link. Hidemyacc will demo the URL/file locker feature, which you can refer to as follows. This tool allows you to create locked links. To unlock the content, users must complete a specific action, such as filling out a form, registering an account, or installing an app, etc. The required action depends on the offer displayed. In the URL/file lockers section, click to create a new file. You can choose different templates based on your needs. The content in the file's URL link will depend on the target audience. For example, people interested in making money online will likely search for ways to browse anonymously, create multiple profiles on the same device without being detected. You can choose products like ebooks related to making money online. Then, promote this link on forums that specialize in making money online, like Black Hat World. When users click on the link to download the ebook, they must complete the offer's requirements first. In addition to commenting with your link, you can create content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook, and include the link in the description. Besides the URL locker tool, you can also create landing pages to drive leads. An important note: when choosing an offer for a specific country, you need to target users in that country. For example, an offer from the US will only be available when accessed through a US IP address. If you want to actively create leads and complete offers, you can create browser profiles on Antidetect browsers. Add a proxy to fake the IP for that region. Each profile on the Antidetect browser operates independently, like different devices. With this method, for the same offer, you can perform it multiple times without the website restricting you. At this point, you act as both the affiliate marketer and the end user. This is also a method commonly used by professionals who work with offers. Hidemyacc has just guided you on how to create a CPAGrips account and demoed some ways you can promote your link. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please contact Hidemyacc's support team via live chat for the fastest assistance. Wishing you success.